Hello everybody, this is Deidre with Paper Crafts and Planners, and I have a haul video today. This is my haul throughout the month of July. I'm putting it up August 1st because some of the products are not available until August 1st. So this first thing I purchased, I want to say mid-July maybe, and they are the stackable paper trays from scrapbook.com. They are 12 by 12 paper. I'm using them for 8.5. If you look at the thumbnail for this video, you'll see what mine look like all put into the shelving unit I use. I have the Michaels cubes. This, I don't know which cubes they're using in this photo, but mine don't take up as much room in my cube. So they had a special that it was 8 of these, so 4 different packages because they're 2 to a package for $19.99. I wish I'd bought two sets of 8, but I did not. But anyway, so because I really loved them after I got them set up. So I may go back and get some more later. But they come in white or clear. So whichever works with your craft room. I got the white because I really like that. This was a freebie when you purchased that. There were 2 freebies actually. This first one is a Woodware Craft Collection stamp set, and it is called Owl Gifts. It's a little owl perched on top of some presents. Has a little ornament here, and then there's a snowflake, star, heart, have a tweet Christmas, happy holidays, and Merry Christmas. Super cute. It's going to be fun to color that one. And then this is pops of color with glitter, which I've never seen. I guess it's something new they're starting to do. So this one is in ruby, which will be nice for the holidays for sure. Okay, the rest of what I have now is from Close to My Heart, and it's out of the new catalog, or one of them is from the mini catalog that's going on now. But this catalog, August 1st through July 2023. So it's a really, I will be doing a flip through, but not in this video because I don't have time. There's too much to show you. Okay, first thing, and I love this. This one's called Flourish Greetings. You know what? I should have taken these out of the package because I think you get less of a glare. Maybe not. So this one says, with love, best wishes, thinking of you, happy birthday, and thank you. But you can see the flourishes and some little dots, and they've just done a really super job of doing some unique sentiments with this. So again, this one is called Flourish Greetings. Flourish Greetings, ED on the end. And this one is called Flourish Layers. You can see this one's got stars and swirls, and we've got some roses and some different elements and some hearts. These coordinate perfectly together. So you can do these sentiments fit inside these flourishes. You can also use sentiments you already have, or you can put some other element in the middle. Whatever you want to do, but I want them to go together. So I have both of them. Excited about using those. I think this Flourish Greetings, this would be a great way to make a gift set for somebody of 5 different cards, you know, that they could give out throughout the year. This one is called Background Elements. Really pretty. Take that also. I love the whole, you know, making your own backgrounds with these. But look at that. You've got a lot of things to choose from. I haven't played with them yet, so I'm interested to see what some of these will look like on paper. I'm anxious to get to play with them. I've just had so much going on, and then convention was in June, and it was a virtual, so a lot of this stuff came in my convention bundle, and I haven't even had a chance to play with it. That's how busy things have been. Okay, this is a Stamp of the Month. The way Stamp of the Month works is if you make a $50 purchase on Close to My Heart site, you can have a stamp set for $5, and it's a different one every month. I think this is September, so I'm showing this a little early, but the reason I am is because this is going to be part of a giveaway. I'm very close to 2,000 subscribers. I mean, just a few away. So please like and subscribe. So I've got 2 of these. One is going in the bundle that I'm giving away at my 2,000 subscriber level. And I also have some other things. I've just been putting things in there for the last couple of months, knowing I was getting close to 2,000 subs, so that I'd be all ready for that giveaway. All right, this one I already did take out the package. I'll show you the pieces. So this one is the Crisp Air card making, and it's been in the current little mini catalog, and I think it'll be around till the end of September at least, or while supplies last. So it has these die cuts. So you cut out the pumpkin shape, Then it has all the different stamped elements, the stem, the vines, all these little ovals that you can also cut out that you can layer on top. And it's got this little tag element and this banner and these cute sentiments. So you can kind of see how cute that will be. This one says you are the pick of the patch. So you can layer all the different, you could do a plaid pumpkin. And this one's going to be really cute to do. Okay, next, let's show you. This is the You Deserve It All stamp and thin cut set. And it does these presents. And let me show you. It has a happy birthday that's really pretty scripty. You Deserve It All, and then a happy birthday that's just a print. So, this is what the stamp set looks like. See all the pieces you receive to put together. And then there is a die that will cut out all of those pieces. Now, you can see how on the front it shows this piece here that kind of rises out. You can, of course, do it just like that on the card to where somebody would just lift up that top part. But there is a die cut, a thin cut that goes with this. Let me show you. So that you can have a little pull tab at the top of your card and it will make that raise. I haven't gotten to play with it yet, but I've seen it through convention, them using it. And I'm really excited to, I've only watched about half of convention. That's how sad it's been. But I'm really excited to put this together and make those little presents. This is a new die with these different geometric shapes. Circles, squares, triangles. So they had some cute examples in the catalog. So I'll be playing around with that. This is another new stamp set that is called Floral Sentiments. Really pretty. Has a lot of great sentiments in there. Sending love and sympathy, best wishes, thinking of you. Congrats, newlyweds. I don't have that stamp, any newlywed stamps. Congratulations, sorry for your loss, praying for you. And then all the different florals. And then this circle says to the happy couple. Really pretty. Okay, I purchased, so Close to My Heart has Distress Oxides. They don't have the full range, but I did not have Candied Apple, so I made sure I got Candied Apple. This is what I do with mine. I have another way to catalog them. I know I've shown this before, but let me show you. So I have them on this ring. This is a waffle flower stamp set that I use to do all of my inks. So I have them all together and I can flip through. But I also just take a white piece of paper and ink it up and then put the name on the front of it for all of my Distress Oxides. So I've already done that with that one. But that's new. I didn't have a red Distress Oxide. So, all right, here is a new paper collection. Super cute. It is called Celebrating You. Here is the sticker set. And you can get the paper pack with or without the sticker elements. And they're a little thicker. They're like cardstock. They're not chipboard, but they're a little thicker than their papers. So really cute. These are great for scrapbooking especially. And here is the paper collection. There's a front and back to each one. Really, really pretty. The yellows and the blues. It's a very gender neutral set, which I love for birthdays. So I can have things on hand. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Just gorgeous colors. One of the things I love about Close to My Heart is they will have the collection name up here, the order number if you need to reorder anything, and then they have all the featured colors. So you know you can go pull your cardstock that's going to coordinate with this. And speaking of cardstock colors, these are the new colors in this catalog, which means a few went away, which always makes me sad. Sometimes some of my favorite, this time I believe it was Carolina was my favorite that went away. Let me fan these out. So this is the color of the year and it is melon, which means they will have a lot of collections and different things with melon because, you know, it's the color of the year, but also means it will only stay around for a year. Last year, there was a deep pink color. Now do I even remember the name of it? No, I don't. But anyway, it was beautiful, and so I have quite a bit of that. This color is Honey Butter. This one is Periwinkle. This one turned out to be my favorite, Seabrook. It's just a really pretty kind of seafoam green. It's just gorgeous. And then this one is Mist, and this one is Pine. So some pretty colors. And I bought a set of each of these, of course, colors, but I'm just showing you one of each. There are new inks with those colors. I have honey butter, periwinkle, and pine. And I believe I'm going to have to get Seabrook because it was just so beautiful. So I'm going to have to go back and get Seabrook. Okay, there they have masking tape now that they're going to carry in the catalog. This is a bundle they're doing, so it's the 4-inch with 2 of the 1-inch for a special price. So I went ahead and got it like that. So I'm going to try out that masking tape. I purchased this Stickles glitter gel in Nebula. Now, it's not a new product. It's been around for a while, but I've never purchased it. So it's Stickles with some gold elements in there, and it also has some stars in there. So that's going to be a lot of fun to play with. I've never done a Stickles like that, a gel. So that's going to be new to me. I know it's not new, but it is new to me. And then they're going to have brushes. So I have the, where are they? I pulled one out. I have the waffle flower brushes, and I love them, and they look just identical. I will play with them and see if they work just as well. And they are colored, and so I have, the handles have color. So I have, for each dye ink color family, I use these. And then I have a few of cheaper brushes that are black from Hobby Lobby that I use for my Distress Oxides, but I don't have enough for each color. So now I'm going to have enough so I can spread them out and do for all the different, at least color families, but I'd like to get enough that I can have one for each color that I own because, you know, like I said, I swatch them like this, and I can absolutely put the name on the handles. I only have, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15 colors. So it shouldn't be hard to get 15 with the ones I already have. So each Distress Oxide has its own color because I don't like to use the same for dye ink as Distress. I don't know. They're just a different formula, and so I keep them separate. But I hope you've enjoyed seeing all of the things I've rounded up during July. It was a busy month for me, but I did manage to shop, of course. So look for the walkthrough of the catalog that's coming up in just a few days. And I really appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so I can get that giveaway video up. Thank you so much. Happy crafting.